This is example 2 of completing the square, and what's different about this one is that the number in front of the x squared is larger than 1. So I'm going to start out by labeling what my a, b, and c are. So my a is the number 2, my b is the number 16, and c is a number I don't know, and I'm going to find it by completing the square. I'm going to start out by writing y is equal to, and my goal is to get the x squared away from this number. So I'm going to take the 2 and I'm going to put it out in front of the parentheses. I'm going to put x squared first because 2 times x squared gives me 2x squared. The next number is going to be a positive 8x because 2 times 8 is 16. So I'm taking the 2 out from both of these. I need to figure out what my last number is. I'm going to close the parentheses. And then I'm going to use that plus sign. And because I took a 2 out of the beginning, this one also needs a 2 out here. So I want to make sure that this 2 and this 2 are matching. I'm going to label this with my letters. 2 is my A. 8 is my B. What I don't know is my C. And out here, my parentheses is going to be the opposite of the same number. So I need to figure out what C is, and I'm going to do that by completing the square. To find C, you need to go B over 2 squared. B is the number 8. 8 over 2 squared. 8 divided by 2 is 4 squared. 4 squared is 16. That means 16 is going to go on this space, and a negative 16 is going to go inside the parentheses. I now want to put this in graphing form. Y equals 2 stays in the front. I'm going to have my parentheses with the squared on the outside. I'm dealing with the variable x. And to figure out what my h is, I'm going to look down at my previous work and see what number has a squared on top. 4 has a squared on top, and 4 is positive, plus 4. To figure out what my k is, I'm going to simplify 2 times negative 16, and that gives me negative 32. I now have completed the square and written my answer in graphing form.